2025 is the year AI is rewriting the rules for creators and businesses. The smartest people are automating, optimizing, and scaling their content with the right tools. If you're still doing everything manually, you're missing out. Let me show you how to level up. Ever feel like you're spending hours on content but not seeing results? These 5 AI tools will save you time, boost your creativity, and help you build a $1 million business without hiring more employees. Number 3 is a total game changer. Every creator hits a wall. That blank screen. That deadline looming. That feeling of, what now? But what if your next big idea was just one prompt away? Introducing ChatGPT, your always on, always brilliant creative partner. Ideas? Instant. Scripts? Structured. Hooks? Sharper. Titles? Tested. Thumbnails? Click-worthy. Whether you're starting from scratch or scaling a content empire, this isn't just AI. This is leverage. Say, give me 10 viral video ideas. Done. Rewrite this in my brand's voice. Done. Generate an entire campaign for my product launch. You guessed it. Done. It learns your tone. It understands your audience. It amplifies your voice. Creators, entrepreneurs, marketers, this is your edge, your unfair advantage. Does that ChatGPT? Not the future of content, the now. Fade. Create faster. Create smarter. Create more. Start with ChatGPT. Tool number 2, Google Flow. Google's brand new AI video creation tool. You literally type what you want, and it generates cinematic video content. No fancy camera, no editing skills needed. Just ideas, and Google Flow brings them to life. Watch this. I'll create a pro-level intro sequence in under 2 minutes, using just a text prompt. AI-powered video generation. High production value. No filming required. Fast asset creation. This is Google Flow.
Hit the subscribe button now and turn on notification.
Yep, this was achieved with Google Flow. And also with Google Flow, a different variation of the ad campaign for a new fizzy drink. Are you excited? Now let's get started. First, we start a new project, then we get our prompt for our ad campaign on ChatGPT. If you want to learn about prompts, comment the word prompt in the comment section. If there are enough comments, I will do a quick video on that. You can go through the settings and you can see different models with different costs. You can play around with the models to see which one fits your requirements. For now, I will go with the low option for this video. Once we have our prompt and feed it on Google Flow, now we wait and let it do its magic. I had to fast forward the whole generation process and get to the juicy part. Wow, can you see our lovely ad campaign for this brand? Now let's see another variation. There's a lot you can do with Google Flow. Your imagination is endless. Your brand will thank you. Generate prompts with ChatGPT. Feed the prompt in Google Flow and see the magic. What if you could wake up and your content is already written, posted, and scheduled without lifting a finger? In this video, I'll show you how to automate your content creation using ChatGPT and IFTTT. This is the perfect blend of AI brilliance and automation power. Every content creator hits a wall. Writer's block, burnout, or just too much to do. But with this setup, your content engine never sleeps. ChatGPT generates the ideas, the words, and the format, while IFTTT handles distribution. You save time, stay consistent, and scale effortlessly. IFT, short for If This Then That, is a free automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services. Think of it like digital duct tape. You set a trigger, like receiving content, and an action, like posting it online, and boom, it just works. There are so many automation services we can do with IFT. As we begin this business automation series, I will show you how to automate your business and life in 2025. This year is the year of automation. For automated content creation in any niche, I'll show you how to create an IFT applet to grab the latest political news. Any niche you are targeting, summarize it with AI, and automatically post it to your Twitter or any social media platform. For today, we will be using Twitter as our case study. Let's begin.
Hit the subscribe button now and turn on notification.
Want me to build this for you? I can put together a complete custom applet blueprint, show you a sample tweet output, and even create a Word doc with step-by-step screenshots. No coding required. Just let me know in the comments below. You can also tweak this same setup to work with tech news, motivational blogs, fitness tips, or whatever kind of content fits your niche. You can do even more with the IFTTT Pro plan. And I'll leave a link in the description for 10% off, so you can try it for yourself. What do you want to see next in this AI-powered business automation series? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to @MotiveXAI for more tools, automations, and AI workflows designed for creators and entrepreneurs just like you. I'll see you in the next one.